So today I'm going to show you how to open up a OnePay account on your desktop. Now, just a quick heads up, if you are interested in learning how to do this process through the phone app, I'll actually have my video in the show notes down below showing you step by step in that process. So today we're actually going to be doing this on desktop. So let me clear out this screen right over here and get us started. We're going to go ahead and go to the top right hand side over here where it actually says join OnePay, and I'm getting things crossed off here. So let me actually do this a little bit better here. So it says join OnePay over here. You can see it kind of highlights in a blue form here. We're going to go ahead and click on this, and it's going to bring up this little pop-up menu. And the first thing it's going to ask is for our phone number. We'll be using this to sign into our OnePay and receive important account alerts. So something to keep in mind. We're going to toss in that phone number and click on next here at the bottom. Now, right over here, we're going to go ahead and get a text message to that phone number. We're going to go ahead and plug that in, and it's going to take us right to the next step. Alrighty, so the next question here, it's going to ask for our name. Now, this does need to be the same as our ID, so please keep that in mind. This will be your legal first name as well as your legal last name. Now, once we fill these two information pieces out, we're going to go ahead and click on the next button at the bottom. Alrighty, next up here is going to go ahead and ask us for an email address as well as a home address. Now, if your home address is different from where you want your card to be sent, make sure you check off this box right over here. The home address, as you start filling it out, will pre-populate with different addresses for you, so make sure you click on the correct one. Once both of these pieces of information are filled out, we're going to click on next and show you the next set of questions. Alrighty, so next up here is going to be verifying our identity. Now, this is going to be required to go ahead and go through this process. There is going to be just asking for the last 4 digits of your social security number, as well as your date of birth, keeping in mind it is set up as month, day, and year. This box over here is automatically checked off, but you can go ahead uncheck it right over here to pay everything manually or keep things on auto pay if you wanted to. We're going to switch that off here for us. Once these two pieces of information are all filled in, we're going to click on agree and create account. Now, one thing we do want to mention before finishing up this step here too, if you are interested in signing up for OnePay, we're going to have a link for you in the show notes down below, as well as in the pinned comment to get you a nice sign up bonus going through our referral link. Now, that referral link does help us out as well, and that lets us continue to make more free content just like this, which we have a whole series tutorial on how to utilize OnePay through the app, which we'll have linked in the show notes down below, as well as at the end of this video. Now, right over here, they're just going through and confirming all of the information for us. It can take just a couple of moments. Now, from here, they do need to secure the account, which means they need to verify the overall account by submitting a live selfie as well as a photo ID. Now, the way this works through going on the version on the desktop is once we click on Next, it's going to go ahead and send us a link to the phone number we have on file to go ahead and scan an ID and then do that selfie to verify all that information to be able to complete our account. And then once you go ahead and do that, your account will be officially created. And like I mentioned earlier, if you actually want to learn how to utilize your OnePay account, especially on your mobile device, we have a full tutorial series. I'm going to post that series right over here for you so you can learn more about using this brand new account.